Hello everyone, my name is Bethany Blake and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply glitter to a painting. You're going to first start out by creating a slanted oval shape on your Yupo paper, canvas, or panel. I'm using an acrylic paint pen, but a pencil will work just fine. Next, you're going to create a jelly bean shape on the lower half of the oval. Draw a diagonal line off of the side of the oval because that will make up the side of his head and shoulder. Moomin has two triangular ears on the top of his head. If you're working on paper like me, be sure to draw a line where his arms end. You'll be cutting it off later. Next, you're going to want to paint the background to match whichever glitter you want to use. I have teal glitter on hand, so that is the color I'm painting the background. Let the first coat dry for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then add a second layer of paint. You don't want the white of the paper, panel, or canvas to peek through. Next, fill in the figure with an off-white color. I'm using Titan Buff, but any sort of cream or beige will work. Once that dries, add another layer of off-white. Next, I am cutting off the end piece in favor of a square composition. I am adding a third layer of off-white in order to make the figure completely opaque. Once that dries, we will need to give Moomin some eyes. Using a pure white, draw in 2 circles with the paint and fill in the eyeballs. Next, you'll want to outline the entire outside of the figure with black. Take your time with this. Draw 2 upside-down check marks for the inside of Moomin's ears, and 2 curved lines for his eyebrows. After that, you'll want to add a black outline around his eyes. Don't forget 2 filled-in circles for his pupils. They're sort of off to the right side, so try not to put them directly in the center. Let the paint dry overnight. The following day, you'll want to start off by taking your adhesive and spreading it thinly along the background. I'm using a Liquitex matte medium, but you can use Mod Podge or liquid Elmer's glue. You'll want to work sort of fast so that your adhesive doesn't dry on you. Grab your glitter and pour a generous amount on the palm of your hand and sprinkle it over the wet spots. Pat the glitter onto the painting. Try not to rub it because it will smear the glue. Patting it will make sure that it adheres properly. Shake off the excess glitter. If some areas are balding, take a little more of your adhesive and glitter and spot correct. Don't forget to lay out yesterday's paper underneath your painting before you mess with glitter. I'm using a tarp underneath my drafting table, but this stuff will never leave you. Let the painting dry for a couple hours while you clean up. When you come back, take a damp paper towel or your fingers and clean off the figure, being mindful to not touch the background. And then you're done, your very own glittery Moomin painting.